The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. Factories, once bustling with human activity, are now eerily quiet. Instead of human workers, robots are taking over the production lines. This is the dawn of a new era, the age of automation. Robots and artificial intelligence, or AI, are increasingly performing tasks that were once the domain of humans. This technological revolution is not confined to one country. It is a global phenomenon. It is fundamentally transforming how we manufacture goods and conduct business. Automation is crucial for several compelling reasons. First and foremost, robots can operate at speeds and for durations that far exceed human capabilities. They don't require breaks, sleep, or even food. This relentless efficiency means that factories can churn out more products in less time, boosting productivity. Second, robots can handle tasks that are either too dangerous or too monotonous for humans. This not only protects human workers from potential harm, but also allows them to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Finally, automation can significantly reduce operational costs for businesses. Robots don't need salaries, benefits, or vacations, making them a cost-effective alternative to human labor. The rise of automation presents both opportunities and challenges that we must navigate carefully. Countries that fully embrace automation can gain a significant competitive edge in the global market. They can produce goods more efficiently and at lower costs, making them more competitive. However, the rapid adoption of automation also raises serious concerns about job displacement. As robots take over more tasks, many workers may find themselves out of a job, leading to economic and social challenges. Governments and businesses must work together to address these challenges, ensuring that workers are retrained and prepared for the jobs of the future. Investing in education and training programs will be crucial to help workers transition to new roles in an automated world. The goal should be to create a harmonious integration of humans and robots where both can thrive and contribute to a more efficient and prosperous society. Visionary leadership and innovative solutions will be key to navigating the complexities of this new era. With the right approach, the future of automation can be bright, offering new opportunities for growth and prosperity. China is betting big on automation, recognizing its potential to revolutionize industries and drive economic growth. The country is investing heavily in robotics and AI, pouring resources into cutting-edge research and development. It aims to become a global leader in these technologies, showcasing its advancements at international tech expos and conferences. China sees automation as key to its economic future, with leaders and CEOs emphasizing its importance at major economic forums. China's investment in automation is evident in its spending, with billions allocated to enhance technological capabilities. The country is pouring billions of dollars into research and development, fostering innovation and technological breakthroughs. It is also supporting the growth of its domestic robotics industry, encouraging local companies to innovate and compete globally. Chinese companies are developing new robots and AI systems, pushing the boundaries of what these technologies can achieve. These technologies are being deployed in factories, warehouses, and other industries, transforming traditional workflows and increasing efficiency. China's focus on automation is driven by several factors, including economic, demographic, and social considerations. One is the country's rising labor costs, which have prompted businesses to seek cost-effective solutions. As wages increase, businesses are looking for ways to cut costs and improve efficiency. Automation provides a solution, enabling companies to maintain competitiveness. Another factor is China's aging population, which is creating a shrinking workforce and increasing the need for automated solutions. The country's workforce is shrinking, making it crucial to find ways to boost productivity and sustain economic growth. This makes it even more important to find ways to boost productivity. Automation and robotics offer a path forward, helping to address these challenges and secure a prosperous future. China's government is playing a key role in the country's automation push. The leadership in Beijing is keenly aware of the transformative potential of automation and artificial intelligence. Beijing has implemented a series of forward-thinking policies to support the development and adoption of robotics and AI. These policies are designed to ensure that China remains at the forefront of technological innovation. These policies are creating a favorable environment for automation to flourish. By fostering a supportive ecosystem, the government is enabling businesses to integrate advanced technologies seamlessly into their operations. One important policy is the Made in China 2025 initiative. This ambitious program is a cornerstone of China's strategy to upgrade its manufacturing capabilities. This program aims to transform China into a global manufacturing superpower. By focusing on high-tech industries, the initiative seeks to reduce reliance on foreign technology and boost domestic innovation. Automation is a key pillar of this initiative. The integration of robotics and AI into manufacturing processes is seen as essential for achieving the goals of Made in China 2025. The government is providing incentives for businesses to adopt robots and other advanced technologies. These incentives include financial support, tax breaks, and other benefits to encourage widespread adoption. In addition to Made in China 2025, the government has also launched other initiatives to promote automation. These initiatives are part of a broader strategy to modernize the economy and enhance competitiveness. These include the Internet Plus Action Plan and the Strategic Emerging Industries Development Plan. Both programs are designed to integrate digital technologies into traditional industries and foster new growth areas. These programs provide funding, tax breaks, and other support for businesses developing and deploying automation technologies. By creating a robust support system, the government is ensuring that China remains a leader in the global automation race. China's investment in automation is producing tangible results. The country is experiencing a surge in robot adoption. In fact, China has become the world's largest market for industrial robots. According to the International Federation of Robotics, China installed more industrial robots than any other country in recent years. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years. The Chinese government has set ambitious targets for robot density. It aims to be among the world's top 10 nations in robot density by 2025. The rapid growth of automation in China is not limited to manufacturing. Robots are also being deployed in other sectors such as logistics, healthcare, and agriculture. For example, Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba is using robots in its warehouses to sort and deliver packages. China recognizes that automation will transform its workforce. To prepare for this future, the country is investing heavily in education and skills development. The government is promoting STEM education, that's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They are also encouraging vocational training programs in robotics and AI. Chinese universities are expanding their offerings in these fields. They are producing a growing number of graduates with the skills needed to thrive in an automated economy. In addition to formal education, China is also fostering a culture of lifelong learning. The government is supporting online learning platforms and other initiatives to help workers adapt to the changing demands of the workplace. While China is surging ahead in automation, other countries are not standing still. The United States and Europe are also investing in robotics and AI. However, their progress has been slower compared to China. The US remains a leader in robotics research and development. American companies are at the forefront of developing new automation technologies. However, the pace of robot adoption in US manufacturing has been slower than in China. This is partly due to factors such as higher labor costs in China, which create a stronger incentive to automate. Europe, particularly Germany, has a strong tradition in automation. German companies are known for their expertise in industrial robotics. However, Europe also faces challenges in keeping pace with China's rapid automation drive. While China has made remarkable progress in automation, it still faces challenges. One challenge is the complexity of developing advanced robots and AI systems. China still lags behind countries like the US in certain areas of robotics innovation. Another challenge is the potential for job displacement. As automation accelerates, some workers may lose their jobs. This could lead to social and economic challenges. The Chinese government is aware of this issue and is implementing policies to address it, such as providing retraining programs for displaced workers. Finally, China also faces challenges in ensuring the ethical and responsible use of AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it is important to ensure they are used in a way that benefits society and does not pose risks. China's automation drive is having a profound impact on the global economy. As China becomes more efficient in manufacturing, it is changing the global landscape of production. Chinese companies are becoming more competitive in global markets. The rise of automation in China is also contributing to the reshoring of manufacturing jobs. Some companies that had moved production overseas are now bringing it back to developed countries, thanks to automation. This is because robots can help reduce labor costs and make manufacturing in developed countries more competitive. Beyond manufacturing, China's automation push is also influencing other sectors. For example, China is a leader in developing autonomous vehicles. Chinese companies are testing self-driving cars and trucks on public roads. China is well positioned to win the great automation race. The country's massive investments in robotics and AI, coupled with supportive government policies and a focus on workforce development, are propelling China to the forefront of the automation revolution. While challenges remain, China's automation drive is transforming its economy and is having a ripple effect across the globe. As robots and AI play an increasingly important role in the future of work, China's experience offers valuable lessons for other countries navigating this technological shift.